Hello everyone! As you may know, working memory is not a uniform construct. It consists of multiple components, including sensory storage components and the central executive. In this work we want you to understand which contribution they make to individual differences in working memory. In order to achieve that, a large number of participants had to memorize sets of letters, 5, 6 or 7 letters, either in forward order, meaning that they had to memorize them as they were presented, and keep them in mind for some time, for 6.7 seconds, or in alphabetical order, meaning that they had to look at the set of letters and then during the delay period mentally recombine them into alphabetical order, which is quite a difficult task, especially if we're talking about memorized 7 letters. First, we looked at the frontal midline theta activity and found that theta power was stronger in the manipulation task than in the retention task in both low and high performing individuals. Then we subtracted the retention theta from the manipulation theta in order to understand the contribution of the central executive component of working memory into behavioral performance, and we found a significant correlation between this index and overall performance in the task. But there was no significant correlation between theta activity in the retention task and behavioral performance. A similar index showed a significant correlation in the beta frequency band, which was sourced from the central channels of EEG. You can see here that in the high performance group there was stronger beta suppression in the manipulation task than in the retention task, and the level of this suppression was correlating with behavioral performance. Surprisingly, I found no correlation between behavioral performance and alpha activity, neither in the retention task, nor in the manipulation task, nor in the central executive index. To summarize, we looked at the oscillatory counterparts of sensory storage and central executive components of working memory, and found that midline theta, central beta activity correlated with behavioral performance, whereas alpha didn't correlate with individual working memory capacity. We conclude that the central executive component of working memory, rather than sensory storage capacity, played a decisive role in the individual working memory capacity limits. Here's my email address and Twitter handle. Please send your questions to this email or direct messages in Twitter. Thank you for your attention.